Pigs in a blanket, easy to make, affordable, can take them anywhere. You can eat them as breakfast or an appetizer. Come on and I'll show you how to make them. You've got, I use graham biscuits and I've cut them in half. Get these little weenies, miniature weenies, and we're going to kind of stretch it out. And we're just going to roll them up in this biscuit. It's real easy. See, you just roll it up in there. Put them on a cookie sheet. They're great for breakfast. If you want something that is fast. They're great warmed up. You just get them out of a Ziploc bag, warm them up, and out the door you go. See? They're great to take for parties. There's just so many uses for them. I love them any time of the year, Christmas, during the summer. This is another dish where the kids are out of school and they want something for breakfast. Check out my Etsy store for Aunt Sandy's Kitchen merchandise. I've greased the cookie sheet and I've got my oven to 350. We're going to cook them between 12 and 15 minutes. Just keep checking them right there at the end. I just want to ask, what do y'all like to dip yours in? I don't like to dip mine in anything, but I know there's people out there that probably like to dip theirs in ketchup, barbecue sauce, or whatever. So if you would, just put it down in the comments what kind of sauce you like. And we're back, and the pigs in a blanket, it took about 18 minutes. You just have to, because they were bigger and thicker, and so you just have to, play with your oven. Just keep peeping at it to see if they're golden brown. Let's see, I'll get it. See how good they look? They are great for snack, breakfast, lunch, anytime. You can take them to parties as an appetizer. These have been around a long time. I don't know how long, but it's been a while. Kids love them, seem to love them anyway. Make you some and enjoy them. I hope you do make them. Thank you for watching my videos, and as always, God bless.